Mother of Christ, we're moving forward. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Here we are. Stop it. Ladies, gents, what up, what up? Vlogging, right. I actually had a surprisingly good day. That's like how it is. That's the nature of a problem solver, right? You start in the morning full of issues, full of problems, full of misunderstandings, to say the least. And then by the end of the day, everything's cleared up. And I'm feeling that way right now, because there was a few things that were bugging me, and now we're all set. Sorry. Good Lord, brother. Good Lord. Anyway, yeah, I was bugging about it like 5 different things, and now I seem to be okay. Now I think things are gonna be alright. Okay. Alright, why am I bugging? I don't know what this bus is doing. I'm not playing these games. I'm not playing these fucking games. Alright, yeah, so I started the morning with some crazy unsolved mysteries. Some issues with some of the properties, some physical issues, some emotional issues. Then like a bunch of people not getting paid right, so I had to deal with that. And all like the thing about it is that when you are waiting for information or help from other people, those people are walking way too slow. When you're at mercy of other people for you are like you know, stuck. Oh God, really, bro? Mother of dick, Mother of Christ, we're moving forward. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Here we are. Here we go, here we are. How to be a superstar. How to be a superstar. How to be a star that is super. How to be a star that is beyond normal. And it's super. Excuse me. Left and right. Why we got so much fucking traffic? Why so much so many problems? Eh? Where my friends be at telling me this and that? She is mad what we had didn't last. Sometimes you lie, sometimes you cry, but I guess you know now. She took a half, I took the whole thing. Slow down. Do 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 do. But see, when you have a productive day, your mood afterwards is righteous. I feel righteous right now. Righteous things. Righteous things. Righteous things. I just finished Top Boy yesterday, the new Top Boy. I'm watching them backwards. I should have watched the old Top Boy first and then the new one, but instead I watched the new one. Now I'm watching the old one. They're both fucking dope. Big fan. But something I wanted to mention was all the slang, all the UK slang. Big fan of that. Like all the innits and allow it, or wagwan, or you know, say less fam, say nothing, or you know, what you saying, and shit like that. There's a bunch of other things, you know, one, love, blessed. Like we already say a lot of those in hip-hop, you know, hip-hop lingo. And I'm sure people from over there that listen to New York slang with, because like me and my boys, like even friends who don't listen to hip-hop, like, you know, who don't care, like if somebody's just like, yo man, you still coming through at 5 p.m, you say word, you say yeah word, and it's like people are like I would imagine are confused as to what exactly that means. But to us in New York, it's like word, what's good, you're good, I'm good, all that shit, like all these weird little words. They probably mean nothing to a lot of people, but man, this was an aggressive split session. I'm kind of enjoying myself. I really like splitting today. I'm feeling super focused, and I'll tell you why. Because I didn't drink yesterday and I'm not hungover. And look, that's a cop. That was an undercover cop for sure, but we're too far back now for me to concern myself with him. But yeah, I'm not hungover from booze, which results in yeah, well, you know, that's nothing new. I guess that's not really come on brother, which results in better focus. Man, I love this bike so much. Just a quick shifter, just to pop it into second gear like that. Papa. It's fucking dope. This bike is so dope. Fucking people have no idea. I'm so lucky, man. Just fucking riding a... Oop. Thank you. Riding a brand new Ducati. You know what I mean? Had to slam my brakes there. Ooh, go ahead. You got it. Do it. Do it, bruh. Ooh. And we got a freaking traffic cop over here with the lights flashing. I don't know what's going on. It's madness. It's fucking madness. I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby. Where you people be at? Oh, that's... You're in the trenches, relax. My boy with the Nazi helmet, with that big bike, big boy bike, splitting at half a mile per hour, my boy. Solid work. Solid work. Alright, I'm getting off here. Go ahead, we got this. I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down. Then we'll slow down to below 35, because no tickets, beach. No ticket zone up in this. What's happening here? Man, this bike is fucking quick. Anyway, alright kids, that was a weird vlog with just moving like a shark the whole time, so we'll just move on from here. Alright? Everybody ride safe, everybody enjoy yourselves. Thank you as always for watching. My boy is like fucking tilly-vadilly.